In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get started with Comet API and make your first successful API request. Step by step, we will cover logging into your account, understanding the console, exploring the playground and model marketplace, creating an API key, making your first API call using curl, and understanding the response. By the end, you will be ready to use Comet API. First, open the Comet API website and log into your account. You can either continue with Google, which is the fastest method, or use your email address. Next, let's understand the console. The console is your central control panel, designed to be simple and efficient. On the left sidebar, you will find the main functions. The dashboard shows your overall API usage, latest updates, and popular models. The playground allows you to test different models interactively and adjust parameters in real time. The credits page is where you manage billing and payment methods. In the logs and analytics section, the usage log tracks API calls. The Midjourney log monitors image tasks. The task log shows platform task status, and data overview visualizes usage trends. In Account, you can manage personal settings and referrals. At the top navigation, you can access helpful resources. The Model Marketplace lets you browse available models by text, image, video, and audio, and compare their capabilities and pricing. Documentation provides detailed API guides and integration steps. You can also reach support through email or community channels, and explore the blog for deeper technical insights. Before using the API, it helps to explore the playground and model marketplace. In the playground, you can switch between models, adjust parameters, test outputs instantly, and compare performance. In the model marketplace, each model page shows an overview, capabilities, pricing, and example API code. For deeper understanding, you can always refer to the documentation. Now, let's create your API key. Go to the API keys page from the sidebar, click Create API Key. Enter a name such as my first key, leave the quota at the default setting, and click Create. Your key will appear in the list. Copy and store it securely, as you will need it to authenticate requests. Now let's test the Comet API with curl, a simple command line tool to send API requests. You can find the code for Python, JavaScript, and curl on the API section for each model in the marketplace. First, grab your Comet API key. Then in your terminal, paste export, replace your -key here with your actual key. Next, paste the full curl command into your terminal and hit enter. The header flags send your API key for authentication and inform the API that you're sending JSON data, while the data section is your request asking the model to respond to "Hello, Claude." Finally, verify the response. If successful, you'll see a JSON output with a reply, and if you get an error, double-check your API key for typos and confirm it was exported correctly. You have now successfully logged in, explored the console, understood models, created an API key, sent a real request, and received a valid response. You are ready to build with Comet API. Instead of curl, you can also call Comet API using Python, JavaScript, or any HTTP client. The process is simple. Add your API key in the authorization header, choose a model, and send a request. To switch models, you only need to change the model name. No new API key is required. That's it. You now know how to get started with Comet API and make your first API request. From here, you can explore more models, integrate them into your applications, and build powerful AI solutions. Thanks for watching.